Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've posted anything. I apologise for that. So if you're interested, so this is going to be about this BMW that I bought. I bought it for the engine. The guy said take the whole car, so I'm just going to build it as a beater upper, just a bash car really, and also to progress my daughter's driving. So she's learnt, you might have seen in a previous video that she was learning in a Lexus IS200, and she managed to get to grips with that, but it was just so underpowered even in the wet that it was making it hard. So this is a 328 BMW E46. We're just going to do the handbrake today, and then we'll look to do the weld the diff and see what else needs doing to it. But I'll show you the underside of it. It is pretty goddamn rotten, even to the point that these jacking points, I'm not sure if I trust these. Obviously I am under the car, but it's holding and it's quite good. The front ones, yeah, they're still there, but they're pretty bad. So we've gone under the subframe. The engine's really good. The bodywork's pretty good. Obviously it won't be after Eva's learning in it, but yeah, we're gonna have some fun, and we're going to use it as a bash car hopefully over the winter. Let's see how I get on. So welcome back, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so we've got the back out now. We've cut all the back out here just to get to the diff. We've got the diff case off. Now we're just going to make a little plate in there and weld her up, put it all back together. Let's go drifting. We'll give it some tyres. I found some NS2 Vankang NS2Rs. I think they're NS2Rs. They came on my S13, so they'll be good for the front of the shitter. We are at Learn to Drift public drift days today, me and Eva again. This is Eva's next adventure. We're gonna go out in the BMW. Hopefully they'll put a little space down the end for us, and we'll have a go at just refreshing your memory on donuts and figure of eight, and then get onto the main track. Yeah. We'll teach her the handbrake, which obviously she didn't learn before Gymkhana, which was my bad. So she never used the handbrake before, so that'll be something new. So we'll start with the clutch kick. With what you know, you nervous?
To use the handbrake, yeah, because I don't know what I'm doing. So
you should be fine, but it does take some getting used to. If you don't learn with the handbrake, then it can be tricky to get it into your head. But she'll get it. Yeah, follow along. So she's going to try figure of eight. Since I've started filming, can't get it. I think she's nervous about being filmed, so she'll get it. done it before. She's done it with me in the car a minute ago. Just needs to calm down a bit. That's it. She's got the control. There's the control. Ah, a little bit overcooking. Okay, so that was the first go done. Clutch is gone. Second gear, it won't have second gear. So we're first gear back to doing donuts and whatnot. Trying to teach the handbrake. You know, first gear is ideal for that. But yeah, clutch is gone, so something else got to do. Ready for next time. And yeah, then we can get her on the main track. So later on we'll just do the main corners, I think. So it won't be a wasted day, but it's just a shame. Hey ho, these things, that's what testing's for. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it, that's it, control, control.
See what you're trying to do. Oh!
Clutch down to catch it, more revs.
I just want to go there.
Go now if you want. Go from now. Clutch kick, go. Give it power. That was when you needed to come off. Feel it starting to spin, just come off a little bit and it will catch. Yeah? You'll feel it. Once you get used to the car, you'll start feeling the car. Deep breath.
I can only smell the fume.
When you steer into it, right, it's like a delayed reaction. Once you steer into it, what's going to happen? It's going to start going over it. So once you steer into it, you need to come back out of it to try and catch it, because it's just going to try and go around. So you steered quite into it, and then you delayed reaction steering back, and that's why you spun out. So once you start steering it in the direction you want, you've got to be prepared to come out of it quick. Okay? Yeah, so I'll sort that out when we go back. I have to change the tyres in a bit. That's it. Power to steer. Remember, you're steering with the back. You're steering with the power.
What?
You're steering with the back. Okay. Power is more steer. Less power is less steer. Let me get out. Go have a go on your own. That's it. Now go for it. Good luck. tyres. So Eva, what have you collected? We collected a tyre and we can't get it out. Oh dear, it's coming. It is coming. Hey. Keep going. Right. 1, 2, 3, go! Keep the power in. Keep power, 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 power. Okay. Right. That's where you need. That's where you could have used that. You put the clutch down and get the back end out, but you don't know that. But so she just actually got. She's on her own now in the car. You might see her down the bottom there, but she just actually got this corner perfect, and that was the only one I didn't film. Typical. Hopefully she'll do it again now, but I'm going to try and hide the camera a bit so she didn't get nervous. Okay, so that's our day done. Unfortunately, we managed to break the shitter. I think we broke a shaft or something to do with the diff, sadly. Eva struggled a little bit with getting used to the car, but you know, she mastered the donuts, figure of eights, and then the diff went. So we had a couple of goes on the main track to get some of the big corners. Didn't quite manage to catch when she nailed it, because as always I wasn't filming at that time typically. So hope you enjoyed the content. Big up to Learn to Drift for having us and helping us with Eva's progression, giving us space to do it and whatnot. Thanks Andy for working with us, and if you ever want to come to a public drift day, as you can see, not many cars around and you could just go round and round and round all day. So yeah, thanks to Learn to Drift, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.